How to add background song on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add background song on your snap on Snapchat. Now, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this. Now you can always create a new snap here. But if you don't want to create a new snap, you can just head over to your memories here and select any one particular snap. Now, if you want to add background song on this particular snap, then what you want to do is tap on the three dots option here and tap on edit snap. If you want to turn off your video sound, then you can tap on the volume button here and make sure it's crushed. Now if not, then you can leave it like that. And to add background music, what you want to do is tap on the music icon that you can find on the right hand side of your screen. Now from here you can select any featured musics you want. If you have any favorites that you have set to, you can go to recent, and here on my sounds you can create sound by yourself. Now I have put up a video on how to create sound on Snapchat on my other video, then you can go and watch it on my channel. And here on training you'll find the training songs. Now select any one and then you can choose it, and the video you can see you can crop it right here and select the part to be kept in the video and tap on tick button, and you can see the song will be added to my Snapchat snap. So this way you can add background song on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.